Hello kids. Today we are going to learn A to Z alphabet. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horses. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vegetable. W for watch. X for Christmas tree. Y for yoga. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching.